Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the April Lashy box. So Lashy box is just a monthly subscription. It's mostly lashes. I get the regular full-size box. I think with shipping and everything, it's around 16 something, because I think it's like $3.99 for the shipping, and I think around $12 for the $12.99 maybe for the box itself. But normally you get 3 to 5 pairs of lashes. Normally, I'm going to say you get 4 pairs of lashes and 2 makeup items. They did start, I seen last month, they done like a big box like everybody else is doing. It's like around $25. I decided I would stay with this one, but the other one does look like something I would like. It's got makeup palettes and stuff like that from Ruby May, and it's got all kinds of stuff in it, and you just get a lot more stuff. But I really like this box, and I pretty much get it for the lashes. So here is just the inside. It's just a little small box, but it packs a lot. Okay, so I've never got these. So these is by Rude. I really like the packaging. You got some hollow going on, and these are Flux Mink 3D lashes, and these ones are in Temperance 88357. Tells you how to put it on. Let's go ahead and the box, it's got like a texture feel to it. I really do like that. Okay, and I really like the lashes. I don't have lashes on today. I decided to go without any. So here they are, really pretty. They feel really nice. So I'm already loving these. Okay, here's another brand I have not tried. Flash. And these are Flux Mix too, and they're 3Ds, and they're a multi-layered 3D effect. And these are their 3D 08, and these has got a comfortable band, ultra soft, lightweight, and reusable. Okay. Okay, so they just like pop open. So here they are. I like these. I really like how full they are. And they feel like really nice too. And I like the multi-layered ones. They just add so much more. Okay, so here's another by Rude. And these are their Sugar and Spice 88350. These are really pretty. So they're kind of got the same shape as the other Rude does, but these are shorter and fuller. So I like them. I like both pairs. See, they're kind of little same shape, just this one's longer and it's got different pattern, but I really like both of them. Okay. Okay, so I have tried Beauty Creations, but I have not tried their lashes. I have heard really good things about them. So this is their 3D lash, and it does not say what it is, but I have heard really good things about their lashes. So here it is, out of the packaging. I like how they feel. They feel really nice. They all got pretty much about, with this pair, they all got the angle shape to them. I like them both ways. I like these. I like shaped like this. A lot of times I like the shape like this more. It just really depends on, I guess, what kind of look I'm going for that day. Okay. Then we got some lash glue. And then we got some Drama Queen Mascara by Ruby May, which you guys may not know. Ruby May Cosmetics, the same person that owns it, does own Lashy Box. Okay, so this is their waterproof black. I have tried some Ruby May Cosmetics, and I have really liked them. I've not tried their mascara. Ooh, a really pink tube, pretty pink tube. I like the color. So here is the one. I like that. It's the spiky one. I do like the spikes better, and it's got a different shape than the normal spikies ones does. So hopefully I will like that. And our other makeup item is by The Balm. And I really like The Balm. This is the Mary Lou Manzizer, aka... Okay. Oh, I really like that. So, I use these for highlighters or eyeshadows. I like them for both. Put a little bit extra here. Change the color a little bit. But I had, not this color, but I had one of the balms. I used it completely out. So I'm really glad to get this one. It's similar to the shade, but it's a little different. I got my F2 bag like a long time ago. I use it for highlighter. I use it for eyeshadows and everything. But that is everything we got in our box besides the bubbles. And I don't know. I'm really happy. I got 4 good pairs of lashes. I got a new mascara. Not that I need any mascara because really I don't. But I am excited about trying the Ruby May mascara. And I'm really happy to get the Balm eyeshadow. So I'm really happy with this box. And these are lashes that I have, companies I have never tried. So that's exciting. I like to try new things, so, I mean, really this whole box is about trying new things, I guess, because everything's different for me. I don't know. I can't even pick out which one's my favorite lashes, because I like them all this month. The Beauty Creations, I read something on them last month, and everybody was raving about them, so cannot wait to try them. I will leave the link down below if you would like to try a Lashy box for yourself. It's really just a really good way to, like, build your lash collection and stuff like that, because lashes, I don't know, you can go to Walmart and you can get the Ideals, and I think you can get like a 5-pack for around $10, which ain't really bad. Or you can get the Kiss lashes, and they're really good lashes. But I like getting this is because you get different styles and stuff like that, and it's not breaking the bank. And I just seen another balm, but this is mine. See, this is one, I'm almost out of it, so it's almost like the same color. I don't think it ain't, but it is. And this time it's like a whole lot bigger. I love the Balm makeup. It is such a good makeup. But I guess that is it. I hope you guys did like this, but I will leave the link down in the description below. And you will save 10% off your first box, which is always, you can try it, save 10%. If you don't like it, cancel it the next month. But I just really love their lashes. I'm really surprised we didn't get nothing from Lashy Box this month, because we normally get at least a pair of their lashes, normally like 2 pairs. But I'm really happy with the box, and I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye for now.